Network Entertainment.
Gusto mo bang umasenso, umunlad at yumaman? Pero ang unang tanong ko, willing ka bang mag-start sa 20 pesos? Alam mo yung mga kapatid, di ko makalimutan. Pag walang 20, walang sandaan, walang libo, walang daan libo at walang daan libo, walang milyon. Kaya kung gusto magkaroon ng milyon, ito ang episode na kailangan mo pakinggan at tapusin.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, welcome back to Chink Positive. Today we're going to talk about small and tiny wins. Because I do believe ang pagyaman ng isang tao ay nag-uumpisa kung siya ay nag-uumpisa sa maliit. Because wealth is rarely built in one dramatic moment, diba? Kasi yun ang problema, everybody wants to have a breakthrough but very few people respect the boring process that create wants. And honestly, yun po ang isang malaking problema. Gusto ng tao karamihan na talagang get rich quick scheme, bigla ang yaman. Kaya maraming tao naniniwala na mas mabilis na yumaman sa pagsusugal, di ba? Sa pagtataya, di ba? By luck, by chance, di ba? Alam mo, one thing I've realized in building wealth, it's built slowly, it's built quietly. Alam mo yung pa-isa-isa, di ba? Kaya nga, tanong ko po sa inyo, pag ikaw, napapagod ka ba? Do you usually quit? Do you feel discouraged pag wala ka na masyadong nakikitang progress? Do you keep on waiting for the perfect opportunity before you take your finances seriously? Kung yan ang concern mo, I want to help you out. So, how can I help you today with this podcast episode? Sige, let's start small. Let's make this very practical. Kaya mo ba mag-ipon ng 100 pesos? Yan lang, or 20 pesos. Alam mo, pagka nag-ipon ka ng 20 pesos a day na lang, times 30 days, that's 600 a month, 7,200 a year. Pag challenge mo yung sarili mo ng 100 pesos, that's 3,000 a month, that's 36,000 pesos in a year. Kaya nga huwag natin mamaliitin yung pa-20-20 lang, di ba? Kasi kung titignan po natin, once you start with 20 pesos, nagkakaroon ka na tinatawag na, ay kaya ko pala. Di ba naka 7,000 ako in 1 year, di ba? Tapos the following year, 100 pesos na. In 1 year, naka-save ng 36,000. Wow! Kaya ko pala. So without you knowing, nagkakaroon ka ng kaya ko pala mentality. Kaya I just want to encourage you, no? Here's something people don't like hearing. Yung parang sinasabi nila na, ay hindi, kailangan, galingan mo lang, bilisan mo lang. O alam mo, sasabihin ko sa iyo, yan ang nangyari din sa kuneho at the same time yung pagong. Di ba yung kuneho, mabilis, minadali. Pero anong nangyari? Nagpahinga. Versus yung kuneho, anong ginawa niya? Mabagal, pero consistent. Di ba? So ano nangyari? Ending. Alam na natin story, di ba? Natalo ng pagong ang kuneho. Because consistency beats talent long term. The person who invests consistently usually wins over the person who just wait for the perfect timing or just invested one time. The person who saved regularly usually wins over the person who earns big but spend emotionally. Kaya nga, the disciplined person, alam mo ang kagandahan nun, they become unstoppable. Ako naalala ko tuloy, di ba? Yung parang, nung nag-umpisa naman ako, wala rin naman akong masyadong ipon pero I was consistent. Nag-umpisa ako sa piso, sa 10 piso, 20 piso, 50. And my formula, just to give you a perspective, as I share with you my formula in saving, please don't try this at home. Kasi it worked for me, it may not work for you. Ever since I was young, I was mindset to save 50, 25, 25. Okay? Again, yung na-mindset ako na magulang ko to use this formula, it's called 50, 25, 25. 50% savings, 25% for business, 25% I can spend. Whenever I earn 1 peso, 50 cents goes to savings, 25 cents goes to business, 25 cents I can spend. Para makagastos ako ng piso, I have to earn 4 pesos, 2 pesos savings, 1 peso pang negosyo, 1 peso I can spend. If my current lifestyle right now, it's 100,000, I should earn 400,000. 200,000 savings, 100,000 for business, 100,000 for spending. So, the reason why I can do that, nagagawa ko yan because I was still single during that time. Hindi ako nagbabayad ng kuryente, upa, kung tumutulong. So yeah, groceries lang. Konti lang but they do not expect. So, I was able to save a lot of money. Diba? Kaya ngayon, pero nagbago na syempre yung formula as may pamilya na, nagbago na siya. Syempre right now, personally, how I practice 10%, I return to the Lord, and then another 10% to help others, 30%, yun na po yung ginagamit ko for savings, and then an investment, and then 50% probably on spending. Depende. Kaya nga, nagigets nyo. So yung formula, wala siyang set na formula. It all depends kung paano mo diskarte yun, kung anong bagay sa'yo. So right now, in order for me to help you to achieve tiny wins, let's do a quick assessment. Be honest with yourself, okay? Magpakatotoo ka. Do you often stop when things feels like boring? Diba? Yung parang, iipon ako ulit or gagawin ko to ulit? Or do you stay motivated when results are visible? Namomotivate ka lang pag nakikita mo na may resulta na? Or do you keep starting over again instead of staying consistent? Yung parang ningas kugon ka lang. Diba? Kaganahan ka tapos wala. Alam mo mga kapatid, kung hindi ka naging consistent, believe me, mahihirapan ka. Kaya nga my friends, as you listen to this podcast, no, if there's only one thing I want you to remember in today's episode is this. Never ever underestimate the power of small and consistent wins. Because success is rarely a one-day event. It's a lifelong commitment. Kaya nga, one better decision, one saved amount, one disciplined habit, one consistent day at a time. And if this episode helped you to, again, challenge you to think, mag-umpisa ka na, huwag mo na hintayin yung malaking mong income bago ka mag-start na mag-save. Huwag mo na hintayin na malaki ang puhunan mo bago ka mag-start ng business. Kung anong meron ka, mag-umpisa ka. Okay? And if you achieve this, if you start this, believe me, and be consistent, you'll be able to achieve your dreams one day. So stay disciplined, stay consistent, and always stay Chink Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.